guys, give you a quick update on what's going on. It's a bit rainy. It was rain a couple of days now, morning, night and day straight. I haven't getting any chance to take the birds for a toss. I'll give the birds a flew anywhere, but we'll have a look on the inside of the loft. It's a bit rainy. Some rain got into the loft, got it a bit sloppy, so we might have to do some cleaning today. So we'll just show you guys. It's pretty dirty. We're gonna give it a clean today. All the feathers, the birds are molting. Quite bad. Anyway, we are not doing any tosses at the moment. The birds are. Can't do any tosses at the moment. The birds are still molting. Hopefully next month, start doing some tosses and tosses. You guys, you see the birds playing on the outside. Love these air vents at the top. Next time I extend this loft, probably air down. Probably next month or later on the month, we extend this loft, make it bigger. Like you put the cocks on one side and the hens on one side. That's a small loft. It just not a big loft. I have a small yard. My yard is pretty small, so can't build no really big loft. But we're gonna extend, push this back. We're gonna take this position out and we're gonna push it back, further back. So you get at least like 8 feet by 4 feet to the back. Get it bigger. You maintain this look. This air vent here to the top, right around. Let's get the rain come all to this part here. And then blow all to that. Too much wear. In the rainy season, the loft is sloppy, you get enough problems. So next time when you're building your pen, guys, only keep the air vents to the top. See that air vent to the bottom? This air vent to the bottom, I'm going to tell you guys about this air vent. It's a pain in the ass. The rain, not the rain, the wind blows into this air vent and it takes the feathers out. So we're going to take the feathers out now. They go into the yard, on the outside of the yard, and all around the loft, all around the place. The feathers go through the vents. Go to the vents and go outside. They have to work twice as hard. They have to clean inside of the loft, and then they have to go outside and clean on the outside. But when I do this repairs, when I upgrade the loft, I'm not putting any air vents to the bottom because they have to do too much work. Too much feathers come through there. I don't have my loft far off. My house is very close to my house, and this air vent is no good. Sorry, put it there at the moment, but next time I upgrade the loft, we are going to move all this away air vent from the bottom. Too much work. It causes you to clean on the inside and on the outside. So I'm not about that amount of cleaning. So you're going to remove this here, this wire, take this all out. We are going to done with the air vents to the bottom. I want to contain all the feathers when the birds are molding on the inside. So I try to keep plywood right around the base, right around the bottom. That when the birds are molting, they can easily come in here and they can clean the loft pretty easy. They don't have to go outside and clean the feathers. They catch all the feathers on the inside. It's a good air vent system. It's okay, it's alright, but I'll show you guys the feathers go through here, man. You got too much feathers on the outside. All now you see those feathers are ready to go through the hole. These feathers here, these go through the hole like that. And then they're out on the yard. So when they're out on the yard now, the yard look too confused. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove these air vents from the bottom and only use air vents to the top, which I have here already. Air vents to the top. Air vents to the top. Try not to use too much wire because the rain is unpredictable. Certain the rain is come from the north, the east, the west, and the south. So when you got that wire exposed, and the rain is coming from below, you get a sloppy loft. So you better got solid wood all over your loft and vents to the top. Keep your vents high up to the top. It's easier and it's better, more convenient. You get a better clean, and the birds stay fresh and cool. So you just try to back up this bottom of the loft. But that's it, guys. I'm gonna clean it here today. It is sloppy. The rain is falling like every day. Morning, evening, in the midday. The rain is falling every day. But you can't stop that. Always. And give the birds a little release this morning, because the sun want to peep out in this morning. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys all that is feathers. All this is feathers. This here, it's no good. This idea is not a good idea. You have all those feathers on underneath the pins, all in the yard, all around the yard, the feathers all about in the yard. It's too much work, man. You're gonna avoid that, man. You're gonna move that air vent from the bottom, and you're gonna use bare plywood there. Bare plywood you're gonna use. All that is feathers that heap up in that corner here, ready to come through the hole, come into the yard, and they keep the yard dirty. All around the yard it comes. Go all around the yard, all around. You can see feathers all over the plants, all over, feathers all over. Too much. So we're gonna avoid that. We're gonna move those air vents from the bottom, and we can contain the feathers only in the loft. When you got to clean, you take the feathers only from inside the loft. You don't have to clean on the outside. You won't get that much. If you do get any come out to the door, it won't be that big a lot, that big amount. My feathers, man, is working a bit hard. Feathers all over. You can see feathers all over. Go through that hole. So I advise you guys, when you're building your loft, depends on where your loft is. If your loft is away from your house, probably you can take the chance. But my loft is pretty close to my house. My house is just here, right here. That's my house. I'm trying to get it finished. I'm working on it. Trying to work on it, and yeah, that's about it. So talk to you guys later. Sun is trying to come out. You can see the feathers over there. It's trying hard to come out. It's a little bit cloudy. Usually birds a little off, like and it's pretty damp, so we just let them go out. On the tray. Play around for a little bit. The birds playing around for a bit. Oh, I got a lot of come back around. Yeah, no, can't even see them on the other side. Everybody see them when they return. Alright. Birds are here. Birds alright. Get cloudy. You can see a lot of dark cloud over there. All that is rain. 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 A couple days. days. 3 days. Cloudy. Birds are here flying around. Be good to be out. All flying around. Bit cloudy, bit white, can't see birds that well, but all there. Pretty cloudy. Trees, the trees are getting a bit of shade block, but they flew around this little block so fast. I don't get time to record in this area. The white here, trees are pretty low there. You get a better vision when you go over that area. And the fly on this side, on this side. On this side is the trees here close to the house, the banana trees. You can't see too many birds get here. On the side of the house. See when the birds go up on the side here, and then they come around here. Come around here, that's a favorite route. Circle around here, circle around the loft, circle. Then meet the way back here. Back here. Back up here. Get a bit of a, get some rain tomorrow. Just give you guys an update and have a look at the birds. See how it was for the week. We're getting some rain. The rain was falling often. Don't see the birds that easy. See them up through here, inside of the house here. And over here, around here, around here, around here. Yeah, usually the back right here. That's the main circle. It's muddy and dirty, but not do that long. I want to get in the ring of water, actually the pool.